Welcome to Narayana online platform. Myself Raghavendra, Physics faculty of Madhapur campus of Narayana Group. Today I am going to discuss 25th January first session paper of Physics asked in JEE mains. Please see, all these questions are memory based. There may be chances of some mistakes. Let us start. First question, you see, find the de Broglie wavelength when charge is accelerated through potential 2 volt and if it was lambda naught when it is accelerated through V volt. They are asking you de Broglie wavelength. You know that de Broglie wavelength lambda, this is equal to h by p. You know also p equal to under root 2m k. K is kinetic energy. If you are accelerating any electron, kinetic energy acquired is E into V. If any charged particle you are accelerating by V volt, it will be Q into V. So this we can write as h by under root 2m q v, because they have told you when a charge is accelerated. So from here you are getting lambda is proportional to 1 by root v. Now this one will be lambda dash by lambda naught will be equal to under root v naught by, they have given you v and 2v. So v, let us take v and 2v, it is equal to 1 by root 2. So you will have lambda dash equal to lambda naught by root 2. So your answer will be lambda naught by root 2, answer will be D. Just units they are asking you, match the following: pressure, impulse, coefficient of viscosity and angular momentum. You know that for writing units and dimensions, it is too much essential to know the definition or formula. For example, I am going for pressure. For pressure, okay, no, this is equal to force by area. Now, force, mass into acceleration, and area is A. Mass, kilogram, acceleration, meter per second square, meter square. Okay, no. So this is, if you are writing it, kilogram meter by meter square, second square, it will become kilogram meter minus 1, second minus 2. Kilogram meter minus 1, second minus 2, check, it is here. So A, you have number 4. Now you are going for impulse. If you go for impulse, second one, this is your A. Now go for impulse, your impulse is change of linear momentum. So basically it is m del v. This is unit, if you are taking, it is kilogram meter by second. So you will have kilogram meter per second, it is already here. So this is will be number 1. Now coefficient of viscosity, if you go for coefficient of viscosity, you know that F equal to 6 pi eta r v. Now coefficient of viscosity eta will be equal to F divided by, you are taking only unit node 6 pi, leave it, r v. So F, already you have m into A, r v, kilogram meter per second square, r meter, this is meter per second, 1 second you remove, meter you remove, it will become kilogram meter minus 1, second minus 1. Kilogram meter minus 1, second minus 1, so this will be 2. Angular momentum D is mvr. So L will be equal to mvr kilogram meter by second, kilogram meter per second, and here is meter. So this will become your kilogram meter squared second minus 1. Kilogram meter squared second minus 1. This is number 3. Check. Your answer should be 4123. 4123. This is your B. Your answer will be B. Clear to you? Now let us go to next question. A ball of mass 100 gram is kept in tunnel along diameter of Earth. Find its time period. You take Earth. Anywhere you dig tunnel. No need to solve also, beta. This is Earth. You dig tunnel like this. You dig tunnel as your wish. You dig tunnel like this. Any way you dig the tunnel, and if you drop a body in that, your time period will be 2 pi under root r by g. We are knowing it very well, but if you want to derive it, what you do now, this is center of Earth. Let us take here at a distance x. If I will take a body of mass m, how much force will act? Your F will be equal to G m, you take m dash by x squared. Clear to you? M dash G mass by 4 by 3 pi r cube into this into volume of this sphere you will be taking. It will be 4 by 3 pi x cube by x squared. So here it will be cancelled. 4 by 3 pi cancelled. This will become F equal to G m by r cube m x. Now this will be equal to m into a. So m omega squared x. This m is cancelled. You know that x is also cancelled. Omega squared will be gm by r squared, and 1 r you keep here, right? No, gm by r squared is g, so it is g by r. Omega squared 4 pi squared by t squared. This is g by r, so t will be equal to 2 pi under root r by g. So your answer is here C. Clear to you? Not only the tunnel which is passing through the center, you can take any tunnel passing from anywhere. If from this side to that side of Earth it is, always time period will be 2 pi under root r by g. Now let us move to next question. They have given you a diagram. In that diagram, there is a rod of mass 2 kg which is supported with a string attached as shown in figure. They have given you with a 8 kg mass. So here you have 8 kg. This is 40 centimeter. It means this distance is 60 centimeter, and the wall support is fixed. Find the tension. They are asking you tension in the string. If I take here tension T, it will have two components. One, this side T cos theta, and here this side it will be T sin theta. T sin theta, that is nothing but T by 2. Now what you do, let us take this point as O, and weight of rod they have given you 2g. So at the middle point here 2g will be acting, here 2g will be acting. Now take torque of all the forces about O. If you take torque of T cos theta about O, it will be 0. You have only 3 forces acting. for which you can take torque about O. One is 2g, other is 8g, and third is t sine theta, that is t sine 30, that is t by 2. This one, if you take this scale, you are fixing it here, you will apply force, the torque will be acting in clockwise direction, right? For this also, if you take, torque will be in clockwise. Here, torque will be acting in anti-clockwise. For the equilibrium, torque due to 2g and torque due to 8g must be equal to torque due to t by 2. You will have 2g into half meter, and for this it will be 8g into, they have given you length as 1, 60 centimeter, 40 centimeter is 1, and this should be equal to t by 2, and this distance is 60 centimeter, that is 0.6. So now it is g, 8g, 9g, 90, and this divided by 0.3, that is your t. So t will be equal to 900 by 3. This will be equal to 300 Newton. Your answer will be A. Clear to you? Now let us move to next question. A parallel plate capacitor has plate area 40 centimeter squared, plate separation 5 millimeter, dielectric constant they had given you K equal to 4, thickness 4 millimeter is introduced between the plate, then new capacitance will be. They have given you separation D. D, they have given you 5 millimeter. Okay, no. And thickness, they have given you 4 millimeter. Either, if you remember formula epsilon naught A divided by D minus T plus T by K, directly you can get it. C will be equal to epsilon naught A by D minus T plus T by K. This is capacitor. In the capacitor, till here up to 4 millimeter, okay, they have medium whose K is, they have given you 4, and here 1 millimeter you have air. Am I right? Now C, because C will be equal to epsilon naught A by D. Clear? Now if you go for this, then C dash will be equal to epsilon naught A by D minus T, that's 1 millimeter. So you will be taking, if this is D, I am taking in 5 millimeter, the epsilon naught A by 5. So here I will directly take D minus T as 1 plus 4 by 4. So 4 by 4, it will become 1. The epsilon naught A by 2. From here you see epsilon naught A is 5C. So this will become 5C by 2. Your C dash will become 2.5C. Now this new answer is here. Okay, answer will be 2.5C. Check it again. If you have air, C equal to epsilon naught A by D. And here epsilon naught A D minus T plus T by K. So epsilon naught A from here is 5C. Epsilon naught A, I have taken 5C, and it is 1 plus T minus T plus T by K by 2. So I am getting 2.5C. Your answer will be here 2.5C. This will be the answer for this. Now let us move to next question. A car is moving with a constant speed of 2 meters per second in a circle having radius r. A pendulum is suspended from the ceiling of the car this problem, directly tan theta equal to V square by RJ. Okay, you can take simply tan theta will be equal to V square by RG. V square they have given you 2, 4 by R, 8 by 15, G, 10, 5, 2 times, 3 times, okay, 4, 2 times, you are getting 3 by 4, theta will become your 37 degree, your answer will be C. If you want, you can show also in the diagram, if it is like this, if this is the bob, here you will be taking mg, okay, no, and in this way you complete, okay, no, here you will be taking mv square by r, and t you will be taking here, if this angle is theta, here it will be t cos theta, and here it is your t sin theta. T sin theta is giving you centripetal force, and t cos theta is balancing mg. Take the ratio tan theta equal to v square by rg, whether directly we know tan theta is v square by rg. So answer for this question is C. Now let us move to next question. An electromagnetic wave is propagating along z direction, having electric field along positive y direction. Find direction of magnetic field. So you see, C will have direction of E cross B. I have taken unit vector. Direction of C they have given you Z, means it is K. Direction of electric field they have given you Y, means J. Now they are asking you direction of B. So let us be like this. If you take circular permutation rule, this is I, this is J, this is K, I cross J is K, J cross K is I, K cross I is J. Okay, no. If I will take K cross I is J, here it is J, K I want. I cross J is K. So J cross I will be minus K. If I want K, it should be J cross minus I, no. So direction of B will be your minus I. Answer will be B. Check here. So direction of magnetic field will be minus I. Let us move to now next question. A Carnot engine gives 50% efficiency for source temperature of 600 Kelvin. What should be source temperature if eta is 70% is required for sink temperature? For same sink temperature means T2 is same. You want T1. So first you go for formula eta equal to 1 minus T2 by T1. They have told you 50%, means 1 by 2, 1 minus T2 by T1. T1 they have given you 600. Now T2 by 600, 1 minus half is half. So you got T2 equal to 300 Kelvin. Once T2 is ready, now go for second part. They have told you eta equal to 70%, means 0.7 equal to 1 minus T2 by T1, 300 by T1. So you will have or 300 by T1, 1 minus 0.7, that will become 0.3. So T1 will be equal to 300 by 0.3. Your answer will be 1000 Kelvin. Answer will be C. Check simple formula based eta 1 minus T2 by T1. Let us move to next question now. T is the temperature of a gas, RMS velocity. Again, under root 3 RT by M. Okay, no? So, they are asking you RMS speed, VRMS. Okay, no? This is under root 3 RT by M. So, it is directly proportional to root T, that is T half. Direct formula based questions have come. That one also single formula based question is there. Answer will be A. Clear to you? Now, let us move now to next question. The period of pendulum at Earth's surface is T. Find the time period of pendulum at a distance which is twice the radius of Earth. On the surface of Earth, T for a simple pendulum is 2 pi under root L by G. It means that 2 pi constant, L constant. You have to concentrate only on effective value of G. You have to go to twice the radius of Earth. We know altitude effect, G dash by G, R squared by R plus H squared. H they have given you R. So this will be R squared by 4R squared. So G dash will become G here, G by 4. So T dash 2 pi under root L by G by 4. 4 will come here. This will become 2 times of 2 pi root L by G. This is nothing but 2T. Please check the answer. Answer will be D. Very, very simple. Altitude effect, you have to know. Second, time period formula for simple pendulum from childhood, you know, T equal to 2 pi root L by G. Very simple. Now, let us move to next question. A particle travels half of total distance with speed V1. Suppose particle is traveling distance S. Half means S by 2. It is traveling with V1. Remaining S by 2, it travels with V2. Average velocity or average speed, it will be net displacement by total time taken. So, average speed will be equal to S divided by T1. S by 2 V1 plus S by 2 V2. This is S. S by 2 you take common. 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2. So this will be equal to SH cancelled. It will be 2 V1 V2 and here it will be V1 plus V2. 2 V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. Your answer is A. Clear to you? Now let us move to next question. Find the ratio of density of helium nucleus and calcium nucleus. See, nuclear density, except for very, very lighter nuclei or for very, very heavy nuclei, for remaining, it will always remain constant. If you are taking the graph, already you know, the nature of graph goes like this for nuclear density. Only here and here slight changes there, whether nuclear density always remain constant. Okay, so I can directly take 1:1. If you want to find by density formula, this will become mass by volume 4 by 3 pi r cube and r equal to r naught a to the power 1 by 3. If you go for here, then it will be A by 4 by 3 pi R naught cube. Again A, cancel. This is a constant quantity. Only for very, very lighter nuclei it will vary, or for very heavy nucleus it will vary. For remaining nuclei, it will always remain constant. So answer will be 1:1. Here you have taken distance from the center of nucleus. Here you have taken density. Is it clear to you? Now, let us move to next question. In an LCR circuit, capacitance is C. Angular frequency they have given omega. Self-inductance for having maximum current. You know that for maximum current, L omega must be equal to 1 by C omega. Current will be maximum when net impedance will be equal to resistance of the circuit. So you will have L omega will be equal to 1 by C omega. They are asking you L will be equal to 1 by C omega square or 1 by omega square. C, answer is C. Straightforward answer you are getting. Question is damn simple. The important factor is here maximum current. For maximum current, capacitive reactance must be equal to inductive reactance. L omega must be equal to 1 by C omega. Now, let us move to next question. The phase difference between two light waves is 60 degrees. So, phase difference they have given you pi 60 pi by 3. Distance between the source of here originally they have told you 10 nanometer. So x they are giving you 10 into 10 to the power minus 9, 10 to the power minus 8 meter. They are asking you frequency. So if you go for path difference equal to 2 pi by lambda. If you are going for phase difference equal to 2 pi by lambda into path difference, that's x you take. This is pi by 3, 2 pi lambda 10 to the power minus 8. Pi is cancelled. Lambda equal to 6 10 to the power minus 8 meter. Now, you want frequency. Frequency will be equal to C by lambda, that is 3 10 to the power 8 by 6 10 to the power minus 8 hertz. If you take up, it will become 1 by 2 10 to the power 16. So you can take it as 5 10 to the power 15 hertz. 5 10 to the power 15 hertz. They have not given 10 to the power 15. They have to say if frequency is f, then answer we can take 5 10 to the power 15 in product they should be giving. Now next question. An LC oscillator has frequency omega, inductance is increased L dash 2L, capacitance is increased 8 times C. They are asking you omega. L omega equal to 1 by C omega. L omega 1 by C omega, omega squared 1 by LC. They are asking you nu omega. So omega equal to 1 by root LC. We want omega dash by omega will be equal to under root LC by L dash is 2L, C dash is 8C. So this will become 1 by 16 means 1 by 4. Omega dash will become omega by 4. Your answer will be C omega by 4. Let us move to next question. If the half-life of a radioactive material T half they have given you. T half 30 minutes. Find the time taken for 75-degree completion of process. 75% decayed. Undecayed how much? 25%. In T half, one half life, it will be 50%. In 2T half, it will become 25%. The answer will be directly 2T half. No need to use formula n equal to n naught e to the power minus lambda t a naught. Directly it is 2 half life. Half life they have given 30 minutes. So this will be equal to, T will be equal to 2 into 30 minutes equal to 60 minutes. That's 1 hour. So answer will be A. Clear to you? Damn simple question you have. Directly related to T half they have asked you. Let us move to next question. They are asking you bandwidth. You see here, carrier frequency they have given 20 megahertz and signal frequency they have given you 5 kilohertz. You know that bandwidth, this is equal to 2 m. So 2 into 5, 10 kilohertz. Answer is directly here 10 kilohertz. Simpler than this. What question to be getting? The straightforward question they are asking you. Now, consider the following statement in relation to diode. Photodiode, you already know photodiode. They are asking you whether it is operated in forward bias or reverse bias mode. Already you know, theoretical question, conceptual question, it is working in reverse bias because holes will be collected in p-type, electrons will be collected one type, and that whenever intensity, which are considering the light is going on falling, the number will be going on increasing, PD between these two will be going on increasing. So, first statement, assertion is correct. One photodiode is operated in reverse bias mode, and in PN junction diode, yes, in reverse bias mode current is less, but they are asking you significant current is flowing or not. Yes, significant current is flowing, and you know that complete Zener diode it will be working only in reverse bias mode. Even your photodiode it is working in reverse bias mode. So both statements are correct, but I feel that reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. So answer will be both are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation for assertion. Answer will be B.